Okay, it's almost the 1st of November, and we're gonna do the final video of the year, say goodnight to the garden. This is one of my favorite late fall plants. Cyclamen, if it's put in the right spot, under some shelter, not necessarily a lot of light, it can last all winter if the weather's good. But they're just amazing. They can handle a lot of cold, so I've done a little ridge of cyclamen along here. Now let's take a look at how the garden looks on its last legs. Okay, the coleus bed is just about dead. Ferns dying back to nothing. Begonias are going down rapidly. Further along, this climbing hydrangea is just about to lose all its leaves. The hostas have been cut back. The climbing fuchsias, which are very young, we're just keeping them for one more week, and then we'll put them in the garage for the winter. Begonias are still doing well, but they could be dead by the end of the week. Dahlias still going strong. Probably another month of them. Burning bush, just glorious today. Take a look at that gorgeous red tree. Japanese maples. We'll walk through to the poolside hydrangeas and see how they're doing. They have been fantastic since June. Look at them, they're still really pretty, even though they're just about done. Yeah, poolside has still got lots of color. This sun patient is on its last legs, but still giving it the best it can. Columnar hibiscus never quite bloomed. The purple buds seem to be frozen in time. I guess we'll enjoy it next year. Fuchsias down below. I have a feeling they're going to be sacrificial lambs. Everything else dying back for winter. Alright, till next year.